Hello children. Today we are going to learn the fourth chapter from Beehive textbook of class 9th. A truly beautiful mind. Albert Einstein, undoubtedly the greatest scientist of the 20th century, was born on March 14, 1879 in a German city. A little freakish by temperament, Einstein often clashed with his teachers. He was highly gifted in mathematics and physics. He graduated at the age of 21. In 1902, he got a job as a technical expert in the patent office in Bern. Here, he not only assessed the inventions of other scientists, but also developed his own ideas. In 1905, he published in quick succession for research papers about light, the motion of particles, the electrodynamics of moving bodies, and energy. He became immensely popular. He was considered a genius. Einstein won Nobel Prize for Physics in 1921. His work was highly praised by the press. Albert Einstein was born on 14th March 1879 in a German city named Ulm. There were no signs of his being a genius. His mother regarded him as a freak. He was unable to speak even at the age of 2.5. When he started speaking, he spoke everything twice. He did not enjoy the company of friends. His friends called him Brother Boring. At school, he did not do well. A headmaster declared that he would never make a success at anything. Einstein was sent to a school in Munich where his family had moved. He scored good marks in every subject. However, he had no regard for old kind of teaching and regimentation. So, he clashed with his teachers. He was brilliant in maths. Disgusted with his school, he left it for good. He was unable to continue his study at a university in Zurich. He had special interest in maths and physics. He fell in love with a fellow student, Mileva Maric, who was a Serb. At the age of 21, he got his first university degree. In secret, he was developing his own theory. In 1905, Einstein published a paper entitled Special Theory of Relativity. According to his theory, time and distance are not absolute. For example, two perfectly accurate clocks will not show the same time even if they come together after the same journey. From this came the famous formula of the relationship between mass and energy, that is, E is equal to mc square, where E stands for energy, m for mass, and c for the speed of light in a vacuum, which is about 3 lakh kilometers per second. Einstein was working on the most difficult problems of physics. His personal life was ill at ease. His mother opposed his marriage to Mileva because she thought Mileva was too old for him. However, Einstein and Mileva Maric got married and had 2 sons. But their marriage failed and they were divorced in 1919. Einstein married his cousin Elsa the same year. In 1915, Einstein published his general theory of relativity and got world fame and received the covetous Nobel Prize in 1921. An eclipse of the sun in 1919 proved that his theory was correct. When the Nazis came to power in Germany, Einstein emerged to America. Out of fear of the Nazis making atom bomb using Einstein's theory, America made the atom bomb. Einstein was quite upset. On August 2nd, 1939, he wrote to President Franklin D. Roosevelt that a single atomic bomb could destroy the whole part of the world. His warning was ignored, and America developed the bomb secretly and dropped one on Hiroshima and one on Nagasaki in Japan during the Second World War. The destruction caused by atom bombs highly upset Einstein. He wrote a letter to the President of the United States in which he gave the idea of the world government. He continued to work for peace in the world till his death in 1955 at the age of 76. He was hailed as a world citizen and a scientific genius. A truly beautiful mind underlines the idea that one can achieve anything provided one is fully dedicated and hardworking. If one is determined, no obstacle can block one's way to success. This is revealed amply by Albert Einstein's life, a struggle of hard work and devotion. From his very childhood, he was focused on scientific and technological issues. He had his own original ideas. That is why he clashed with his teachers on many issues. His work on the theory of relativity brought him a worldwide fame. He was honored with the Nobel Prize as he had a beautiful mind. He was horrified at the misuse of his ideas in making the atom bomb. He opposed its making and continued to work against its use. The main message that we get from this lesson is, through the life of story of Albert Einstein in the chapter, the author wants to convey that one must work hard with full dedication in the field of one's interest. Only then can one achieve the desired success. A half-hearted approach does not work in any field. Albert Einstein had inborn taste for scientific issues. He worked on those things which interested him. No wonder he became famous throughout the world and came to be viewed as a visionary. The chapter also conveys the idea that politicians often misuse the works of scientists. Albert Einstein's theory was used to make the atom bomb. As common citizens, we should see to it that politicians do not use science for destructive purposes. Some of the assignments from this chapter are: solve the questions from the textbook in your rough copy. Think and answer the following questions. Albert Einstein's mother thought of him as a freak. Explain as to why she thought so. Secondly, describe Einstein's contribution to the field of science. And the last question, hard work and dedication are key to one's success. Do you agree? Discuss in relation to Albert Einstein's life as portrayed in the chapter. Thank you.